Greetings, parents and families of Team 6-1. My name is Mr. Bradley. I will be the science teacher this year for all students. And I wanted to welcome you to what I hope is a fantastic year for everyone. Our class is going to be completely hands-on. I'll pull selections from the book, but we're going to do most of our learning through projects. Very few vocabulary quizzes because that will lend itself to what we're studying, but it's going to be the kids solving problems on their own, in groups, together. And I'm going to present them with a challenge and then leave them to their devices as I guide them on how to find solutions and understand our science principles to make an even more exciting time. I want to give you a brief overview of what we'll be doing this year. We will start off with our energy unit, doing a lot of activities outside with catapults and slingshots and radio-controlled cars. We'll be building roller coasters inside the room, and then we will move into space, where some of the concepts are pretty simple, but I'd like to add a little bit more to it to get them more interested in what lies beyond our own atmosphere. Then we'll step into energy and matter in a different type of aspect than we did at the beginning of the year, and end up with ecology, where we really focus on animals and their habitats, how they gain energy, how they coexist with other animals. And as far as what students will be required from me, there will be vocabulary quizzes, maybe once a week, maybe once every other week, depending on how quickly we progress. All classes have the same curriculum, but each class will have its own identity as to what they're good at and what we can work on. So every student has room to grow. All teachers have room to grow. So please know that your children are in good hands with us. For my class, all they need is a notebook, because their book is on their iPad. So an iPad and a notebook, and they'll be great to go. I'm not a huge note taker, but I will show the students a specific way to take notes that may make it easier for subjects such as science and math to work. Other than that, I plan on spending a lot of time outside with students, and I want them to truly gain an understanding that science is asking why, constantly questioning why. But don't worry, I did make sure to remind them that they're not to ask or question parents as to why. So if they start that, let me know, and I'll remind them that it's not what our goal is. So the whole purpose of this year is to get your students to start thinking and looking at things and questioning, how does it work? What is it for? Why do I need this? What's going on in this particular situation? I want them to become curious about the life around them. And if you ever need to get a hold of me, my email is dbradley@hse.k12.in.us. And if you ever have any questions or concerns, please give us a shout. Thanks a lot. Look forward to seeing you soon.